just imposed our will and the strength of our brotherhood. You see, we just have a brotherhood here, and it's much deeper than just basketball. And, you know, things like loyalty, courage, toughness, unity, pride, and the brotherhood was alive today.
How tough is it to foster that, given, I mean, you guys, you know, from all points all over the West on this team, I mean, all kind of in your Fresno City melting pot?
Well, the common denominator is we surround ourselves with people that are alike, that have the same characteristics, and some of the same passions. And we have one agenda. There's one agenda here. We don't have a bunch of different agendas. And this thing is about process-oriented. A lot of people don't understand that. They can't understand unless you're in it. And I'm just really proud of my guys. It's a testimony to them committing their whole life to this program, and it's much deeper than basketball.
Just speak about this day. I mean, about 75% of the crowd was pro Yuba, your hometown with less than an hour drive. How tough was it to push through that? And,
it wasn't tough at all, because we felt like it didn't matter if the whole crowd was against us. We took the gym over with our will and our unity, and we were just one fifth.